Hey! Hey guys. I can see half of your face. Hey!
Okay.
What are
we doing today?
I don't know. What are you doing? I don't know what it's called. Twist or fall?
No.
Twist or fall.
Waterfall. So today, I'm getting my brow. Gotta situate this back. It is.
Doesn't she look like a bat when she puts out her arms?
Okay, but it says London on, so
It's
cool.
all good.
Okay, so we're in the library. And
We're really loud. We're really loud.
But
there's one person in here.
Sarah, show yourself.
Show yourself, Sarah.
Show yourself to the people. Okay. Good job. Okay, so today I'm going to be demonstrating a waterfall braid. Get excited. Because I just figured out how to do this, and I'm happy.
5 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Hillary is going to be my beautiful model. Smile. Okay, anyways, let's get started. Turn around.
Oh. You're so mean. Can I take over your Instagram?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Wait, I was like this.
Okay, no.
What the? They can't see it though.
Yeah, they can. There you go.
No.
Okay, it's time.
Okay. Oh, what are we doing?
Okay. So, the first thing...
Smile.
Don't forget to smile. Okay.
Don't. That's what
So if the person has bangs, just pull them out of her ear. Pull them out of her ear now. I'm sorry. Okay. So then, you're gonna take... There we go. You're gonna take a section of hair, like so. And you don't want it to be right next to their ear. You're gonna keep some down there. Okay. So, first you're gonna split it into 2 sections. And you're just gonna twist it, like so. Okay, hold on. And then you're gonna take a section of hair, another one. So you have these 2 sections right here, like this. And you're gonna take the section that you just pulled out and put it over the twist like that. And you're just gonna let it fall through. Then after that, you're gonna twist these 2 pieces of hair again. You can take another section and do the same thing all the way across her head.
I thought that said something else. If you get my drift.
Oh.
Sarah, why don't you text me?
She needed to give me her French homework.
Go.
Section. These 2. Flip it through. And you're gonna twist it. Who?
Alright.
That's been like a month. Or 2. She annoys her crap. She's like, oh yeah, so I'm gonna send these really cool pictures and I'm gonna tell you about my stuffed animals that I got. I'm like, okay. Fun. L-O-V-E, love, 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 love. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Oops. Okay, put your head.
His name is Tipsy.
It's like, how cute.
Makes sense.
Okie dokie.
Oh, no.
This isn't a very good tutorial. It's our first one, and I can't be loud.
Wait, are you doing big ones or small ones?
I'm doing big ones. They don't take as long. Okay, twist back around. This way. That way.
What?
Move your chair. Twist it, like all the way around, like to where your profile. Other way.
Taryn, what are you saying?
So your profile is like right here. Keep going, good.
I look like an idiot. Like right here? Or more?
That's okay. So, when you get to the end, that is the question of all questions, is how do I finish it off? Where did my bobby pin go? Okay, well, I'll pull out another one. If I can find it. Oh, is that it? No, it's a hairpin. Oh, it's on the floor. Hillary,
What?
it's gonna be difficult. Hold this.
This?
And you'll need one bobby pin. Preferably the patient's hair color. But I don't have blonde hair and this was my bobby pin, so. Now what you're gonna do. Okay. You're gonna make sure that these little these thingies right here won't stick out of her head. So you're gonna just pin it.
That's my ear.
You're gonna pin it. Hopefully like this, and that should be okay. There we go. Like that. There, and it's done. There we go. Oh, wait. Hold on. Now it's sticking out. More awkward than it was. Oh, wait, there we go. Okay, that's better. And then
Is it better than
it looks
before?
better like that. And then, let's see here. That is the finished. Oh, I messed up one. Hold on. No, it's not messed up. It's just not very defined because we slipped it over to the side. Anyways, whatever. That right there is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. So yeah, that's it. So we're done.
Oh, why didn't you turn it off?